Good morning, my dear students. Today we will solve the chapter 13. Chapter name is Symmetry Revision Worksheet. The revision worksheet which I have given you. So this is the answer of this. The first question in this is how many lines of symmetries are there in a square? Firstly, we have drawn a square. In a square, we know that this is also the line of symmetry. Here is also the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means if we put mirror here, then the image will be same. Or if we see that this part is equal to this and this part equal to this, so we have found out one. This is one line. This is second line. This is third, and this one is fourth. So it has four line of symmetry. So our option is D. This is our answer. Next is they have asked about how many lines of symmetries are there in a regular pentagon. When we have discussed the topic of regular pentagon, so the number of sides in a regular pentagon, there are 5 sides in a regular pentagon. So number of lines of symmetry are also 5. How is it? Let us see. This is the regular pentagon, 5 sides and all sides are equal. Pentagon has 5 equal sides when it is regular. So the first line here it is, second is this one, third is this one, fourth one we take from this half line and this one from this, and the fifth one is from this. So it has the option D. Answer is 5. Next comes to how many lines of symmetry are there in a rectangle. Rectangle whose opposite sides are equal. This side equal to this and this side equal to this. So it has this line of symmetry and also horizontal and vertical. So only 2 lines of symmetry. So answer we have the option D is our answer. Now comes to question number 4. Line of symmetry in the figure. This figure is given. In this figure we see that this is the line of symmetry, the above part and the below part from this line is equal. So it has only one line of symmetry. So our answer is A1. Fifth is also a figure is given. This type there, here, this is also the line of symmetry. This is equal to this, and here also line of symmetry. The above part and the below parts are same. So this is our answer B. This is our option. Now comes to the question number. Next question is question number 6. Find the number of line of symmetry in a scalar triangle. A scalar triangle is one which has no side equal. So it has no line of symmetry. So its answer is A 0 line of symmetry. Next is which letter looks the same after reflection when the mirror is placed vertically. Vertically means in this direction. Z, P, M and N is given. The mirror image of Z is this, P is this, M is this and N is this. So which is looking similar? This is M. So M image is same. So answer C is our answer. So now we will check out the other questions. Now the next question is question, write the number of line of symmetry in each letter of the word symmetry. So for each letter we will discuss. S, we can say that S has no line of symmetry, not horizontal, not vertical. So 0 line of symmetry. Next is Y. We can say in the Y, this is the line of symmetry. So this is the our line of symmetry. Next we comes to this is the vertical line. So it has one line of symmetry. And if we put the mirror here, M has also vertical line of symmetry. So it has one line of symmetry. E has, if we put here, no line of symmetry, but if you see from this side, horizontal side, so it has the line of symmetry here, so one line of symmetry. T has, we can say from here it has the line of symmetry, but from horizontal there is no line of symmetry, vertical one line of symmetry. From the R, we can say R has no line of symmetry, not from horizontal, not from the vertical, or from the any of the corner. Now comes to Y again. We have letter, the repeated letter we have not written, we have just written the letter once time. So this is. Now comes to second question, sorry, ninth question. Write the letter of words mathematics which have no line of symmetry. In the eighth question, they asked about number of line of symmetry in each letter. Now we can say M has, we say here, one line of symmetry. A has also this vertical line of symmetry, one. T has also one line of symmetry. H has both this and this. Two lines of symmetry. E has one line of symmetry. I has both vertical and this two line of symmetry. C has this vertical one line of symmetry. But S, as we have discussed, S has no line of zero line of symmetry. So our answer is S. This one is our answer. 10th is fill in the blanks. First is the number of line of symmetry in a picture of Taj Mahal. As we see the picture of Taj Mahal, there is only one line of symmetry. Next is the number of line of symmetry in a rectangle and square are, the options are equal or unequal. So we can say, we have seen in the MCQ questions that the number of line of symmetry in rectangle are 2 and in the square they are 4. So this is answer is unequal. Next, the digit having only 2 line of symmetry. Digit means 0 to 9 digit we will discuss. 0 has line of symmetry, yes, this also and this also. Next, we comes to 1. 1 has this line of symmetry, not here, here nothing. So, next comes to, so 1 has only one line of symmetry. 2 has no line of symmetry. 3 has line of symmetry, but this is only horizontal, not vertical. Now we comes to 4. 4 has no line of symmetry. It has one. And 5. 5 has also no line of symmetry. 6 has no line of symmetry. Now comes to 7. 7 has no line of symmetry. Now comes to 8. 8 has this also vertically and horizontally. Both has line of symmetry. So it has 2 line of symmetry. 0 and 8. This is our answer. Now the last one is 9. 9 has no line of symmetry. So only 0. This also and this also. 0 and 8 has 2 lines of symmetry. So this is all about today. Thank you students.